Once upon a time, in a quaint little town nestled in the rolling hills, there stood an enchanted library unlike any other. The shelves were lined with ancient tomes and dusty volumes, but what truly set this library apart was its magical secret. The books came to life. As soon as a reader opened a book, the characters would leap off the pages and interact with the reader in a whimsical dance of words and imagination. The librarian, a wise old woman with twinkling eyes and a mischievous smile, was the guardian of this magical place. She knew the secrets of each book and guided visitors through the library with a knowing wink. Many travelers from far and wide would come to experience the wonder of the enchanted library, eager to immerse themselves in the stories that came alive before their very eyes. One day, a young girl named Lily stumbled upon the library while exploring the town. Intrigued by the mysterious aura that surrounded the building, she cautiously stepped inside and was immediately greeted by the fluttering of pages and the sound of whispered voices. As she wandered through the aisles, she picked up a dusty old tome and opened it, not knowing what to expect. To her amazement, the characters from the book sprang to life before her eyes. A brave knight in shining armor, a mischievous fairy with glittering wings, and a wise old wizard with a twinkle in his eye all greeted her warmly. They invited her to join them on a grand adventure through the pages of the book, promising her a journey she would never forget. Lily eagerly accepted their invitation and found herself swept up in a whirlwind of magic and wonder. Together, they battled fierce dragons, solved riddles, and explored enchanted forests filled with mystical creatures. As the story unfolded, Lily felt her heart swell with joy and her imagination soar to new heights. When the adventure finally came to an end, Lily bid farewell to her newfound friends with a bittersweet smile. The characters returned to the pages of the book, but the memories of their grand adventure would forever be etched in her heart. As she left the enchanted library, the librarian winked at her knowingly, a silent promise that the magic of the books would always be there, waiting for her to return and embark on another thrilling journey. And so, Lily left the library with a newfound sense of wonder and a deep appreciation for the power of storytelling.